how to install Optifine for Minecraft 1.17. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, you want to have at least run 1.17 once before you can actually install it, I think. So just run it once and just play and then just close the app. Then what you want to do is search for Optifine, click on here and go to downloads right there. And then here you want to, where it says Minecraft 1.17, you want to click on preview versions. Now the reason why it's like this is because 1.17 is just got out. So this is like the pre-version, so pre-21. So they're still working on the actual main Optifine version. So that's why it's like this. It's like a beta or pre-version. So you can simply click on download right here, and you just have to wait a couple seconds just like that. And once you have downloaded it, you can just open it up and install it just like that. So just click on download, keep the file, open it up like this, and here click on install. And as you can see, cannot find Minecraft 1.17. That's because I haven't run it once. So I would have to do that first, and then I can just click on install. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope this quick video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.